Hi everyone, welcome back to my drawing channel. My name is Connie, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to draw a bear holding a heart. This drawing is perfect for Valentine's Day and birthdays. I hope you will draw along with me. Let's start by drawing a nice big round heart in the center before we draw the bear behind the heart. The bear's head is slightly tilted to the left, so I am going to draw the curve on the right side of the heart just a little higher than the left side. You can also draw the bear with a straight head if you like. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please like and subscribe for more future videos. Have a beautiful day.